Hey guys, behind me is the Sea Ranch Chapel, one of the attractions here in Sea Ranch. So let's go and explore this place. The Sea Ranch Chapel is located along California Scenic Highway 1 at the Sea Ranch, California, approximately 100 miles north of San Francisco. This non-denominational chapel was created to honor Kirk Ditzler, who regarded art as the agent between the physical and spiritual worlds. He was the recently deceased son of the couple Robert and Betty Buffum, who commissioned the chapel. To realize his dream, artist James Hubbell assembled a team of local artisans and craftsmen, led by contractor Tambi Kumaran, who specialized in hand-built structures. The chapel was crafted from a model and sketches rather than construction plans. Rough boulders anchored the building to the earth. The roof form was inspired by the shell of a sea snail. The chapel's unique construction was led by coordinating architect Don Jacobs, with local carpenters Tim Carpenter, Brian Smith, Bruce Johnson, and Tim McCurtery. Dennis Roderick served as a stonemason while Fritz Haggis fabricated the spire. Other professionals such as engineers were also involved. A feast for the senses, the chapel's interior blends art, craft, and architecture with nature. Sculptor and carpenter Bruce Johnson crafted the redwood seats, carved posts, and organic wall shelves that seemed to emerge from the structure itself. The plaster ceiling, sculpted into flower-like form, floats above, adorned with embedded seashells and sea urchins from the local shore. Jewel-toned light from three stained glass windows dances on the stone floor, where an Italian-inspired floral mosaic mirrors the ceiling's curves. The wrought iron prayer screen and chandelier, crafted by Hubbell Studio in Santa Ynez, enhance the chapel's intimate ambience. Locally sourced stone forms both interior and exterior walls, seamlessly integrated the structure with its natural surroundings through intimate flower beds. A gift from the Ditzler family, the stained glass windows bathe the space in swirling color, capturing golden light from dawn to sunset. Blacksmith Frank Haggis crafted custom stainless steel fittings to frame their flowing design. A sculpture in the landscape, the chapel stands as a curvilinear counterpoint to the right angles of most Sea Ranch architecture. Today, the Sea Ranch Chapel is an architectural gem uniting art, nature, and spirituality. Inspired by the coastal landscape, its organic design creates a serene space for reflection. It was made with innovative craftsmanship by local artisans. As a non-denominational retreat, it welcomes all visitors. Its seamless integration with nature, from locally sourced materials to its flowing shell-like form, makes it a lasting symbol of creativity and connection. Alright, that's it for the history of the chapel. Until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!